When inspecting office cleaning, the quickest way to tell recent messes from long-term buildup is to look for texture and difficulty of removal. Check high-touch surfaces first and test a discreet spot with a microfiber cloth and a mild cleaner to see whether soils wipe away easily or require scrubbing. Inspect edges, grout lines, ventilation grills, and light fixtures where airborne dust collects. Long-term buildup usually forms a layered texture and may show discoloration or a greasy sheen that resists a single wipe. Smudges and fingerprints on glass or stainless steel will lift with one pass and may leave a faint outline if they are recent, while baked on residues darken with time and need repeated passes or a surfactant. Note odors near carpets and upholstery because musty or persistent smells often indicate trapped contaminants and past spills rather than a fresh accident. Use a consistent testing method and record results by area so you can compare next inspections and detect trends instead of isolated incidents. Communicate clearly with the cleaning team, indicating whether a spot needs an escalated treatment such as a hot extraction, steam cleaning, or grout restoration, and recommend adjusting frequency for problem zones. Common mistakes include assuming every visible mark is recent, which leads to finger pointing instead of corrective action. Address this by testing a small area and documenting whether soils come off with a single pass. Another issue is conflating missed daily tasks with aging surfaces that require restorative work. Solve this by distinguishing between surface cleaning and periodic deep cleaning and scheduling the appropriate restorative service. A third problem is failing to leave clear, actionable notes for the cleaning crew, so create a simple standardized ticket or checklist describing the location, type of soil, test result, and recommended treatment and follow-up after the next service. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where we and other users share experiences about cleaning and maintenance. We help contractors find work by giving them visibility to homeowners who need ongoing or restorative cleaning services.